Okay, now I'm just going to talk to my friend on the camera for 1 minute, okay? Okay for you? Now what we're going to practice today is the R and the L. This is just a warm-up. This is not the activity for the day, it's just a warm-up. But my young friend here, JJ, has studied phonics with me. The whole Jolly Phonics, haven't you? You studied Jolly Phonics with me before we were doing, what was this one? Ah. And then it goes on and on. And what was this one? And this one? R. That's right. R and L. And R. Very difficult in Thailand, very difficult for language learners. But JJ can do it really well. So let me show you the game we're going to play real quick. JJ, I'm going to say a word, alright? First of all, how about you repeat after me real quick? Let's be fast, okay? Just to get in. This is the first time we've done this. This is not a fake lesson. Are you ready, buddy? Face this way for me. Look at the board. Repeat after me. Light, right.
Light, right.
Load, road.
Load, road.
Lane, rain.
Lane, rain.
Lice, rice.
Lice, rice.
Lip, rip.
Lip, rip.
Liver, river.
Liver, river.
Yeah, many people have trouble with that, but JJ doesn't. JJ finds it super easy. So, JJ, I am going to say a word, okay? You are going to tell me if the word is a number 1 word, L, or a number 2 word, R. Okay? Very quickly, and I'm not going to make it too easy for you. So, here we go. Load.
1.
Load. Lane.
1.
Load. River.
2.
Lip.
1.
Let's do this right, make it more fun. 1, 2, make it bigger. Okay. Rain.
2.
Oops. 2. Lane.
1.
Light.
1.
River.
2.
Road.
2.
Good. He's not even listening. He's not even looking at the board. I mean, he's just listening. That's very good. Last one. Lip.
1.
See if I can trick you. Let's go faster. You ready? Rip.
2.
Lip.
1.
River.
2.
Rain.
2.
Rip.
1.
Rice. Oh, 1. Sorry, rip. What did I say? I said rip.
2.
It was 2. We got it wrong. That's good. Okay. Well, anyway. Well done, you. High five. Fist bump. Bring it back. Boom. We got back in time with that stuff. Okay. Very good. Now, do you know this game, JJ? This is a game I don't think we've ever played before. Let me show you real quick. Wait, where's my remote? Never mind. I don't need my remote. JJ, can you please pass me my remote control on the floor? Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh. Now, JJ, can you see the board? This is a tic-tac-toe board. In Thai, you call this OX, I think? OX? Do you know how to play this game? Do you? I can't hear you.
Yes.
Yes, okay. So for example, if you get the answer right, look there, you get a 0. If you can get 3 zeros in a row, you're the winner. Or 3 zeros in a row this way and you're the winner. Or this way and you're the winner. But if I get one, I can be the winner. JJ, pick a number.
7.
You want number 7? Spell lice. So say the letter names for me. L-I-C-E.
L-I-C-E.
Good. We're not doing phonics now. Normally we don't do phonics sounding. Okay. I want number 5. Ask me to spell a word, JJ. No, you ask me. Say one word for me, please. Read a word to me.
Lip.
Lip. R-I-P? Is that right or wrong?
Wrong.
Oh no! I don't get it. Oh no! You see, I don't really want to win. What's your next one? What do you want, JJ?
1.
Spell road.
R-O-A-D.
Boom. Okay, I want number 3. Tell me what word to spell.
Rice.
R-I-C-E. Is that correct or wrong?
Correct.
Yeah, I got one. I'm not going to make it too easy for you. Not too easy for you. Okay, what number do you want?
8.
Ooh. Oh, very clever, JJ. Spell liver. Liver.
L-I-V-E-R.
Very good. Oh no! I want number 2.
Spell road.
One more time, please.
Road.
Road. R-O-A-D. Oh no, yeah, is that right? R-O-A-D?
Yes.
Ah, good and honest of you. Okay, what number do you want, pal?
9.
Now, of course you want 9. Spell lice.
L-I-C-E.
Boom, JJ, you're the winner. High five. Dang, you beat your teacher. You beat your teacher. Well done. Anyway, that's just a quick game. I thought I'd show everybody at home to help in practice. You can do this with CH, SH. There's lots of sounds you can do this with P's and B's, okay? Anyway, JJ, do you want to say see you later?
See you later.
Bye-bye.